In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-send PDFs or documents based on form responses. It's a simple and powerful way to streamline your workflow, especially if you're handling multiple form submissions and need to send out important files automatically. Let's get right into it. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up automatic document sending, saving you time and effort. I've tested all the top software for this purpose, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the best option available. Plus, I've got a special treat for you, an exclusive free trial for this software, only available through my channel. More on that in a moment. The first thing you need to do is integrate your form with the software we'll be using. For most of these services, you'll find an easy-to-use interface that allows you to connect your form with the document automation feature. This is the core step, ensuring that the form responses trigger an action. Now, once you have the form connected, it's time to upload the document that you want to send automatically. Whether it's a PDF, contract, or invoice, simply upload your file to the software's interface. This is where it gets really cool, because you can create personalized documents or templates that are tailored to each form submission. For example, let's say your form is collecting data for a client consultation and you want to send them a PDF report based on their input. With the right setup, the software can automatically select the correct document template and send it out without any extra work from you. Next, you'll set the conditions for sending the document. This is where the magic happens. You can create rules that specify when to send the document, like after the user submits the form or after they complete a specific action within the form. You can also decide if you want the document sent to just the form submitter or if it should go to multiple recipients. It's that easy. In some cases, you may want to customize the content of the document based on the responses provided. For instance, if someone selects a certain option in your form, the software will automatically pull that data and insert it into the document. This is a game changer if you need personalized PDFs that are dynamically generated. Once you've set everything up, make sure to test it. You want to confirm that the PDF or document is being sent correctly based on the form responses. It's also a good idea to double check that your emails, if you're using them, are being delivered successfully and the document is attached properly. And here's a pro tip. If you want to make sure the process is super smooth, use the automation features in the software to set follow-up reminders or even trigger additional actions, like adding the submission to your CRM or sending a thank you email. Now, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we're using, linked in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Here's your key takeaway. Automating document sending based on form responses not only saves time, but ensures that your process is seamless and efficient. Setting up this automation is simple and can make a huge impact, especially if you're handling multiple submissions regularly. To recap, first, integrate your form with the software. Then, upload your document or template. Set your conditions and rules for when and how to send the document. And lastly, test the setup to make sure everything runs smoothly. And remember, if you want to dive deeper and follow along with this tutorial, grab that exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.